Welcome to Steve Bruce Welding and Fabrication, where if you can dream it, we can build it. With over 30 years of experience, at Steve Bruce Welding and Fabrication, we specialize in all things custom welding. As a proud member of the American Welding Society, our work includes everything from firearm manufacturing to structural welding work. We also offer law enforcement and military discounts. For a welding company you can trust, call Steve Bruce Welding and Fabrication today.